As a homeowner in Dallas, you understand the importance of maintaining a property that not only looks great but also functions efficiently. From curb appeal to energy savings, many factors contribute to the overall value of your home. One area that often gets overlooked, but can make a significant difference in both the aesthetic and functional quality of your home, is your doors. Whether it's the front door, patio door, or interior doors, replacing old or outdated doors can have a profound impact on your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Enhancing curb appeal. The first thing visitors, passers-by, or potential buyers notice about your home is its exterior. A well-maintained, stylish front door makes a statement about your home and sets the tone for the entire property. If your front door is outdated, cracked, or simply doesn't match the style of your home, it can drag down the entire aesthetic of your exterior. By replacing your front door, you can boost your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and modern. Choosing a high-quality, beautiful door, whether it's wood, fiberglass, or steel, will enhance the appearance of your home while adding value. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can easily find the perfect match for your home's architectural style. Improving energy efficiency. In a city like Dallas, where the weather can range from scorching summers to chilly winters, energy efficiency is a priority for homeowners. Doors that are old, damaged, or improperly sealed can allow drafts to enter your home, making your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This not only leads to higher utility bills but can also affect the comfort of your living spaces. By replacing outdated doors with newer, energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the energy lost through gaps and poor insulation. Modern doors are often designed with better weatherstripping and insulation properties, helping to keep your home more comfortable year-round. Whether you're seeking doors with advanced thermal resistance or just need a proper seal to prevent drafts, the right replacement door can provide long-term savings on your energy bills. Increasing security. When it comes to the safety and security of your home, your doors are one of your first lines of defense. Older doors or doors made from weak materials can make it easier for intruders to break in, compromising your home's security. Additionally, older locks may not be as effective at protecting your family and belongings. Replacing your front or patio doors with high-security options made from durable materials such as steel or fiberglass is a wise investment in your home's safety. Modern doors often come with better locking systems and reinforced frames, making it more difficult for burglars to gain access. By updating your doors, you can have peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Boosting property value. Whether you're planning to stay in your Dallas home for the long term or considering selling in the future, investing in door replacement can enhance the overall value of your property. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that have been well maintained, and a new door can create an immediate, positive first impression. If you're thinking about selling, a door replacement is a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's appearance and make it more appealing to prospective buyers. Even if you're not planning on moving, Upgrading your doors can make your living environment feel fresher and more luxurious. It's a relatively simple home improvement that can pay off in both the short and long term. Improved functionality. As doors age, they can become difficult to open and close smoothly. Whether it's due to warping, swelling, or a broken mechanism, a door that no longer functions properly can be a hassle. Replacing old doors ensures that your home's doors are operating at their best, providing convenience and ease of use. Moreover, with today's innovations, you can opt for doors with modern functionality, such as easy-to-use locking mechanisms, weatherproofing features, or even smart technology that integrates with your home security system. Conclusion. Replacing doors may not be the first home improvement project that comes to mind, but it is one of the most impactful. Whether you're looking to increase curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, enhance security, or boost your home's value, a door replacement is a smart choice for Dallas homeowners. By choosing the right door, you're not just improving the look and function of your home, you're investing in its future.